Guys, this hair review is going to be sponsored by Unice Hair. They sent me a T4/30 18-inch 150 density, and it's a silk base scalp, so it's supposed to imitate scalp. So I'm taking out the box. This is how it looks. It's like an auburn fall color. I love it. It's very soft, very cute. Okay, it's great for fall that's coming up that you can get. See, as you see, the construction inside has 3 combs on the sides and at the bottom, and then you can see the silk scalp. And this is a 4x4 closure. And it come already with the straight middle part, so I just kept it like that. So now I'm positioning the wig on my head. I put this in full speed because this will be a long video. So I'm positioning the wig on my head. And as you can see, that's how it looks. I plucked it in the front just a little bit to my liking. I think I was trying to do thumbnails. But anyway, I'm spraying the Got to Be glue spray. I always do glueless installs because I'm scared of glue. Not on my skin, no. So I'm blow drying that. I think I put 3 layers of Got to Be glue hairspray in the yellow can. Okay. And so far, the hair is very good right now. I still got it in my head right now, and I think I'm all that, period. I'm gonna leave the link below down so you can click the link if you want this hair. Okay, so now I'm tying it down so it can further melt into my skin. And I took it off, and now we're gonna cut off the lace. Now I'm gluing the hair down so it won't have a white cast, and I'm blow drying it back and melting it even more into my skin. And now I'm positioning my baby hairs where I want my baby hairs to be. So I parted that section out, and I'm taking my hot comb and I'm gonna, oh Lord, my words, sorry y'all. I'm gonna press out where I want my hair to go, how I want my hair to go. Hope everybody's doing good, having a blessed day. Just know I love you, my queen babies. You guys support me so much, and I love you guys. And all my newcomers, thank you for joining. Please hit that subscribe button right now. Thank you. And so I'm using my mousse to mow down my baby hairs. And I will not get this on the first try. I actually tried multiple times. So just keep trying till you get them to the way you want to like them and how you like them to be. Also, you guys, my video hit 8,000 views. Ain't that crazy? So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all need to like this right now and comment congratulations, okay, sweetheart, because y'all did it. Y'all did it for me, okay? Also, I want to thank all the hair companies that have been sending me some hair and giving me a chance to review their beautiful hair, especially Unice Hair. This is my second time trying the hair. The first time I bought their hair, I bought it myself, but the second time, I'm glad they sent me this wig. So now I'm blow drying my baby hairs because I'm impatient and I ain't got time to wait for the dry and have a scarf on my head. I'm trying to get this hair done and over with so I can look cute. And then I forgot to cut the lace in the back. So I was so in a rush to get this hair on because it was so pretty. So now this is I haven't used a curling iron for so long, so I had to get back used to it. So I will be using the curling rod iron, I guess that's what you call it. But yeah, I'm gonna be using these. The way I hold a curl, it can hold a curl if you spray it. Now if you don't spray it, it's not gonna hold that well. To me, it's not. To make sure you use a good hairspray, I use my Got 3 Glue hairspray and make sure that it can hold a curl. But since it's silky straight, it's kind of like it don't really hold curls like that. Body wave hair hold good curls like that. So since it's silky straight, I'm gonna give it a pass. But make sure you use your hairspray to lock in the curl. Now you see, you guys, I was struggling trying to get myself back used to using it. Also, comment down below new videos or new videos you guys want to see. I do makeup too. I did my makeup in this video. What I got on my face right now, and I look very beat to the gods. Period. God blessed me with a unique talent and gift to know how to do my makeup and hair, because Lord knows the struggle out here when you don't know how to do your makeup and hair, and especially during coronavirus season. Like, that's like a ugh. But it's teaching us to learn how to do our hair, so I think that's pretty good. But I hope you guys are still staying safe. Okay, wash your hands, please. Wear your mask. So I was trying to figure out how to make my curls tighter, and I kept trying to figure that out. I kept practicing and curling and curling and curling. So I'll give you guys a thumbs up because I started getting the hang of it. Actually, I did these curls like 3 times over. So I went ahead and did the other side of my head off camera because this would have been a very long video. So as you see, both of the sides are curled. Put a little hair oil in it. Now I'm brushing out the curls. Ooh, look at that, so pretty. Then I had to curl that end because evidently I didn't go all the way to the end. I'm taking my wax stick. Oh, never mind. I thought I was. Excuse me. I'm making another curl because sometimes it irritates me that both of my flips don't look the same. So I guess I really have to do that because it will irritate me. So like I said earlier in the video, if you really like this hair, I think it's great for the fall time. Fall's coming up, my favorite time of the season. It's like my favorite time of the season, except winter. And I think I look good in this color, especially for my brown skin girls. I think you guys look very good in this. You heard me. Putting some powder in my part, a lighter color. Even though I didn't need it, but I'm extra like that. So then I put powder on the front of the lips. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and a comment. I love you guys. I love my queen babies. And I guess I'll see you later.